George, I'm trying to get the laundry started.
Okay.
In the laundry chute, please.
Okay.
Thank you.
Oh dear. Mom! Hello, Mom! It's Stuart. I'm in the washing machine, Mom! Snowbell, thank goodness you're here. Do you believe this? I'm locked in the washer. Can you help me? Can you turn this thing off?
Why would I turn it off?
I'm Stuart.
Stuart! Stuart, are you all right?
I'm okay, Mom.